head out to Spring Bayou. See what's going on out that way. Oh man, check out, you can't see it. There's a dog on this toolbox up here. He's running from side to side. There he is. I don't know if you can see him or not. Years ago I had a friend. Him and his dad, well his dad had it. Big old white German Shepherd. And that dog would ride like that on the back of his dad's truck. And they were going up to their farmland up there in North Alabama. And that old dog the whole way, he rides on that tail, on the toolbox like that. And then they got ready to turn into the drive to go up to their farmhouse. And they made that turn, that dog bloop right off the side of that truck. Right in the middle of the road. He rolled 2 or 3 times. They stopped. Opened the tailgate. He jumped back in and right back up on the toolbox he went. So apparently that wasn't the first time he'd done it. Yeah, that little puppy there, boy, he just having a good old time. There's a country dog there. You don't see no city dogs doing that. Look here, there's more grass out in the road. Yeah, we head down to Spring Bayou, see what's going on down here. Was a lot of traffic. Right here is our local biker bar. That's the Wolf Den. Wolf Den Saloon. A lot of the bikers go hang out. Of course, the way I understand it, Wolf Den is where the older folks go, and then there's a bar, Crazy Katie's, over in Hesmer, and the younger crowd must hang out over there. That's what I've been told. Anyway, we're going down here to Spring Bayou. Check it out down here. They just redid this road this past fall. I think it was in the fall when they started it. I don't know. I can't remember from one day to the next. Anyway, boy, it's a lot better than it used to be. It used to be, man, you had to drive right down the middle, and you was constantly dodging. It wasn't really potholes. It just it's like the sides of the road were just sliding off. There were big old cracks down the middle of your lane, and the pavement was sliding off toward the ditches on both sides. So you had to ride down the middle and hope nobody was coming at you too fast. Give you time to jump over there on one of them lower sections. got me looking. Every time I see a log like that on the side of the road, I keep watching to see if it's an alligator. 'Cause I've seen an alligator or two on the road. Actually a boat ramp down that road too. I think the main one everybody uses is right up here. Look here, the road's already starting to crack and slide. I just don't have a very good base up under this pavement, I guess. See a lot of roads though around here. When you get a lot of rain and all, and you'll see some of the roads start doing that. Oh, well, let's go down here. Love this gravel though. Oh, look at this, some folks out here fishing. They coming or going? Oh, that's a game warden. Look at there. Look at that old boat ramp. There's Louisiana right there. There's cypress trees. Everywhere you look in the water, there's cypress trees. Got all the little knees sticking up right there. There's a campground right there. They've done a lot of improvements out there. Years ago I went through there. Oh, it was, man, you want to talk rustic, it was rustic. Yeah, that's a game and fisheries. That's who that is in that truck right there, in that boat. Gonna go out there and catch some folks. Over the limit, over the limit. Throw him back. Walking trails. Yeah, the Wolf Den, the local biker bar. This is the place. Wolf Den Saloon. Yeah, one side of it's the bar. This side over here on the right side is the bar. Over on the left side, he has a leather shop. You know, he sells jackets and vests, saddlebags. He got some nice stuff in there, and of course patches and, you know, all kinds of typical stuff you'd find in a accessory type shop. Man, he got so much stuff in there though you can't hardly get through. You have to turn sideways and squeeze between. He needs a bigger place. But yeah, he's got some nice stuff in there. I told my brother-in-law one day when he's over this way, I'm going to bring him up there and let him go through it, find him some stuff. Of course, he lives over there in Baton Rouge area where they got shops like that everywhere. They got some nice shops over there. Excuse me. And what do you expect for little old Marksville? We got a Walmart and a biker bar. What else you need? There you go, buddy. Throw that grass out here. Hey, puppy. Hey, puppy. That looked like Petey. Y'all know who Petey was, don't you? Remember the Little Rascals? Petey. He was the original pit bull. Tell me, when you were young, were you a member of the official member of the He-Man Woman Haters Club? Remember Spanky and all of them? They was the members of the